Welcome to this video where you will learn how to avoid common grammar mistakes while writing work emails. Here's an email from an employee to another team member. Dear Anil, you had requested to audit the KYC documents for the branch customers. I will not be available tomorrow since I am going for my vaccination. The hard copies will be kept my desk, my cabin. For your safety, we have kept a pair of gloves and sanitizer, the drawer. The keys to the cabin will be the reception. You can take it from there. If you need any information in my absence, you can connect with Neeta. She will be available the ground floor reception desk. Thanks, Gayatri. Did you notice that not adding some words will confuse the reader? To complete the sentences with the correct word, in this video, we will learn about prepositions of place. In, on, and at are known as prepositions, and are used to show a link between two other words. It tells you how the place is related to the noun or pronoun. Let us see how in, on, and at are used to talk about the place where the noun is. Use in when the noun is placed inside something. For example, the application form is in the folder, or the debit cards are in the drawer. We also use in to talk about the town, village, city, or country we live in. For example, I live in Agra, or we live in India. Use on to be specific about the place. For example, the sign is on the wall, or the document is on the table. It is also used to talk about the road or street we live or work on. For example, we have a branch on MG Road, or we live on 5th Main Street. Use at for the exact place where the noun is. For example, we are standing at counter 3, or she works at Axis Bank. Now that you know how to use prepositions of place in different situations, let us look at the email sent by the bank employee and correct it. The hard copies will be kept on my desk in my cabin. We have kept a pair of gloves and sanitizer in the drawer. The keys will be at the reception. Neeta will be available at the reception desk. We hope you have now understood how to avoid errors related to in, on, and at in your work emails.